We are standing on the precipice of a generational shift in energy storage. The era of liquid chemistry is ending, and the era of solid-state stability has begun, marking an architectural shift in global energy storage. Current lithium-ion technology is hitting the liquid limit. We've reached the theoretical maximum of liquid electrolytes, with a density cap of about 300 watt-hours per kilogram. Liquid-based batteries are the volatile heart of modern power. Flammable electrolytes require complex thermal management, making them heavy, and liquid viscosity slows ion transport. Solid state is a fundamental design change. By replacing the liquid with a solid electrolyte, like ceramic, sulfide, or polymer, the electrolyte also becomes the separator. This increased stability allows for a complete reconstruction of the cell. Solid electrolytes unlock the use of pure lithium metal anodes, which were previously too reactive for liquid cells. This promises a massive reduction in volume and weight, with a 2x jump in energy capacity from about 250 to 600 watt-hours per kilogram. Solid-state technology delivers a critical trinity of benefits: intrinsic safety from non-flammable electrolytes, hyperfast ion transport for rapid charging, and minimal chemical degradation for superior endurance. The materials landscape shows that there is no single solid battery. Different chemistries like sulfides, oxides, and polymers compete for dominance, each offering a distinct profile of conductivity, stability, and flexibility. The primary engineering challenge is dendrites. During charging, lithium can form microscopic spikes that penetrate the electrolyte, causing short circuits. Preventing these whiskers is the main hurdle to mass production. The interface problem stems from the fact that, quote, solids don't flow. As batteries expand and contract during charging, contact between rigid layers can break, increasing resistance. This requires high-pressure manufacturing or advanced engineering. 2026 is the year of verification, transitioning from the lab to the pilot line. The bridge is semi-solid batteries, like the NIO 150 kilowatt-hour pack. The destination is all solid-state, undergoing rigorous automotive-grade testing. The global arms race is underway, blending traditional manufacturing might with agile tech innovation. Strategic partnerships are forming between companies like Toyota, Volkswagen, Mercedes, and other giants. The revolution begins at the extremes. High costs mean early adoption will start where performance outweighs price, powering long-range UAVs, medical implants, and satellite technology. The path to parity will see pilot lines and specialized electronics in the 2026 to 2028 premium niche. By 2030, manufacturing processes will mature, aiming for cost parity and mass market adoption. The solid-state world is a future where recharging is an afterthought. Energy storage will be safer, denser, and faster, enabling ubiquitous and more efficient electric transport and infrastructure. The shift is inevitable. The question is no longer if the solid-state revolution will happen. The question is only how fast.